If you're wondering whether your iPhone 16e does have a screen recording or does not have screen recording, so let's dive right into it. The answer is yes. So if we swipe down from the top right corner, we'll locate our control center, and here, in most cases, we will find our screen recording. Looks like this. However, if you can't locate it, you're to press on the blank space on your control center. Let's press Add Control and choose your screen recording. There it is. Now we even have two of this. Great. So to do that, simply tap here. Your screen recording will start. Now we have our screen recording. Let's tap it. And you can always find your screen recordings in your gallery. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.